Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 45S and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the up button. After the menu opens, use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu. Scroll through the menu and find the option called the system. Once you find it and select it, press the start button to enter. And here you should see the language option. Select it and then press the start button. Now you will see the list of languages. You can scroll through it by using the up and down buttons. Find the language you would like to use on your watch. Once you find it, select it and press start button, and the language should be applied. So when I open the menu now, it should be in German. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.